Cryptocurrency. What is it and what different kinds exist? This and much more in today's video. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. Cryptocurrency, meaning and definition. Cryptocurrency is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority, instead using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that does not depend on banks to confirm transactions. It is a peer-to-peer system that allows anyone anywhere to send and receive payments. Cryptocurrency payments exist solely as digital records in an online database describing a particular transaction, not as physical money carried or exchanged in the real world. When cryptocurrency funds are transferred, the transaction is recorded in a public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in a digital wallet. Cryptocurrencies are so named because they use encryption to verify transactions. This means that storing and transferring cryptocurrency data between wallets and to the public ledger requires sophisticated coding. The goal of cryptography is to provide security and reliability. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 and remains the best known. There is a lot of interest in cryptocurrencies in trading for profit, with speculators sometimes jacking up prices. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies work based on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, where records of all transactions are updated and kept by the holders of the currency. Cryptocurrency units are created through a process called mining, which uses computer power to solve complex mathematical problems to produce coins. Users can also buy currency from brokers, store it with a crypto wallet and spend it. When you own cryptocurrency, you don't own anything tangible. What you do own is a key that allows you to move records or units from one person to another without a trusted third party. Bitcoin has been around since 2009, but the use of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is still new to the financial side of things, and further use is expected in the future. Transactions in financial assets, such as bonds and stocks, could eventually be conducted using this. Cryptocurrency examples. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies. Some of the best known include Bitcoin. Founded in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. The currency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, widely believed to be a pseudonym for an individual or group of people whose precise identity remains unknown. Ethereum. Developed in 2015, Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency, called Ether, ETH, or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Litecoin. This currency is most similar to Bitcoin but has moved more quickly to develop new innovations, including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. Ripple. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it has worked with various banks and financial institutions. Non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies are collectively known as altcoins, to distinguish them from the original. How to buy cryptocurrency. You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely. There are typically 3 steps involved. These are: Step 1. Choosing a platform. The first step is deciding which platform to use. Generally, you can choose between a traditional broker or dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. Traditional brokers. These are online brokers who offer ways to buy and sell cryptocurrency, as well as other financial assets like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. These platforms tend to offer lower trading costs but fewer crypto features. Cryptocurrency exchanges. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from, each offering different cryptocurrencies, wallet storage, interest-bearing account options, and more. Many exchanges charge asset-based fees. When comparing different platforms, consider which cryptocurrencies are on offer, what fees they charge, their security features, storage and withdrawal options, and any educational resources. Step 2. Fund your account. Once you have chosen a platform, the next step is to fund your account so you can start trading. Most crypto exchanges allow users to purchase cryptocurrency using fiat, that is, government-issued currency such as US dollars, British pounds or euros using a debit or credit card, but it depends on the platform. Buying cryptocurrencies with a credit card is considered risky, and some exchanges do not support it. Some credit card companies also do not allow cryptocurrency transactions. This is because cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and it's undesirable to risk getting into debt or potentially paying high credit card transaction fees for certain assets. Some platforms also accept ACH and wire transfers. Accepted payment methods and the time it takes to deposit and withdraw vary from platform to platform. Similarly, the time it takes to complete a deposit also depends on the payment method. An important factor to consider are fees. These include potential deposit and withdrawal fees and transaction fees. Commissions depend on the payment method and platform, and should be examined first. Step 3. Place an order. You can place orders through web or mobile platforms of brokers and exchanges. You buy cryptocurrency by selecting Buy, selecting the type of order, entering the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy, and confirming the order. A sell order can be placed in the same way. There are also other ways to invest in crypto. These include payment services like PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, which allow users to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrencies. In addition, there are the following investment vehicles. Bitcoin trusts. You can buy shares of Bitcoin trusts with a regular brokerage account. These vehicles give retail investors exposure to crypto through the stock market. Bitcoin mutual funds. There are Bitcoin ETFs and Bitcoin mutual funds to choose from. Blockchain stocks or ETFs. You can also indirectly invest in crypto through blockchain companies that specialize in the technology behind crypto and crypto transactions. Alternatively, you can buy stocks or ETFs of companies that use blockchain technology. The best option for you will depend on your investment goals and risk appetite. How to store cryptocurrency. Once you have purchased cryptocurrency, you need to store it safely to protect it from hacks or theft. Usually, cryptocurrency is stored in crypto wallets, which are physical devices or online software used to store the private keys to your cryptocurrency securely. Some exchanges provide wallet services, making it easy for you to store directly through the platform. However, not all exchanges or brokers automatically provide wallet services for you. There are different wallet providers to choose from. The terms hot wallet and cold wallet are used. Hot wallet storage. Hot wallets refer to crypto storage that uses online software to protect the private keys to your assets. Cold wallet storage. Unlike hot wallets, cold wallets, also known as hardware wallets, rely on offline electronic devices to securely store your private keys. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. What can you buy with cryptocurrency? When it was first launched, Bitcoin was intended to be a medium for daily transactions, making it possible to buy everything from a cup of coffee to a computer or even big-ticket items like real estate. That hasn't quite materialized and, while the number of institutions accepting cryptocurrencies is growing, large transactions involving it are rare. Even so, it is possible to buy a wide variety of products from e-commerce websites using crypto. Here are some examples. Technology and e-commerce sites. Several companies that sell tech products accept crypto on their websites, such as Newegg.com, AT&T, and Microsoft. Overstock, an e-commerce platform, was among the first sites to accept Bitcoin. Shopify, Rakuten, and Home Depot also accept it. Luxury goods. Some luxury retailers accept crypto as a form of payment. For example, online luxury retailer BitDials offers Rolex, Patek Philippe, and other high-end watches in return for Bitcoin. Cars. Some car dealers, from mass-market brands to high-end luxury dealers, already accept cryptocurrency as payment. Insurance. In April 2021, Swiss insurer AXA announced that it had begun accepting Bitcoin as a mode of payment for all its lines of insurance except life insurance, due to regulatory issues. Premier Shield Insurance, which sells home and auto insurance policies in the US, also accepts Bitcoin for premium payments. If you want to spend cryptocurrency at a retailer that doesn't accept it directly, you can use a cryptocurrency debit card, such as BitPay in the US. Cryptocurrency fraud and scams. Unfortunately, cryptocurrency crime is on the rise. Cryptocurrency scams include fake websites, bogus sites which feature fake testimonials and crypto jargon promising massive, guaranteed returns, provided you keep investing. Virtual Ponzi schemes. Cryptocurrency criminals promote non-existent opportunities to invest in digital currencies and create the illusion of huge returns by paying off old investors with new investors' money. One scam operation, BitClub Network, raised more than $700 million before its perpetrators were indicted in December 2019. Celebrity endorsements. Scammers pose online as billionaires or well-known names who promise to multiply your investment in a virtual currency but instead steal what you send. They may also use messaging apps or chat rooms to start rumors that a famous businessperson is backing a specific cryptocurrency. Once they have encouraged investors to buy and driven up the price, the scammers sell their stake, and the currency reduces in value. Romance scams. The FBI warns of a trend in online dating scams, where tricksters persuade people they meet on dating apps or social media to invest or trade in virtual currencies. The FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center fielded more than 1,800 reports of crypto-focused romance scams in the first 7 months of 2021. With losses reaching $133 million. Otherwise, fraudsters may pose as legitimate virtual currency traders or set up bogus exchanges to trick people into giving them money. Another crypto scam involves fraudulent sales pitches for individual retirement accounts in cryptocurrencies. Then there is straightforward cryptocurrency hacking, where criminals break into the digital wallets where people store their virtual currency to steal it. Is cryptocurrency safe? Cryptocurrencies are usually built using blockchain technology. Blockchain describes the way transactions are recorded into blocks and time-stamped. It's a fairly complex, technical process, but the result is a digital ledger of cryptocurrency transactions that's hard for hackers to tamper with. In addition, transactions require a two-factor authentication process. For instance, you might be asked to enter a username and password to start a transaction. Then, you might have to enter an authentication code sent via text to your personal cell phone. While securities are in place, that does not mean cryptocurrencies are unhackable. Several high-dollar hacks have cost cryptocurrency startups heavily. Hackers hit Coincheck to the tune of $534 million and BitGrail for $195 million, making them two of the biggest cryptocurrency hacks of 2018. Unlike government-backed money, the value of virtual currencies is driven entirely by supply and demand. This can create wild swings that produce significant gains for investors or big losses. And cryptocurrency investments are subject to far less regulatory protection than traditional financial products like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. 4 tips to invest in cryptocurrency safely. According to Consumer Reports, all investments carry risk, but some experts consider cryptocurrency to be one of the riskier investment choices out there. If you are planning to invest in cryptocurrencies, these tips can help you make educated choices. Research exchanges. Before you invest, learn about cryptocurrency exchanges. It's estimated that there are over 500 exchanges to choose from. Do your research, read reviews, and talk with more experienced investors before moving forward. Know how to store your digital currency. If you buy cryptocurrency, you have to store it. You can keep it on an exchange or in a digital wallet. While there are different kinds of wallets, each has its benefits, technical requirements, and security. As with exchanges, you should investigate your storage choices before investing. Diversify your investments. Diversification is key to any good investment strategy, and this holds true when you are investing in cryptocurrency. Don't put all your money in Bitcoin, for example, just because that's the name you know. There are thousands of options, and it's better to spread your investment across several currencies. Prepare for volatility. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, so be prepared for ups and downs. You will see dramatic swings in prices. If your investment portfolio or mental well-being can't handle that, cryptocurrency might not be a wise choice for you. Cryptocurrency is all the rage right now, but remember, it is still in its relative infancy and is considered highly speculative. Investing in something new comes with challenges, so be prepared. If you plan to participate, do your research, and invest conservatively to start. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury, and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.